This is the Nespresso espresso and coffee machine, and it's a single serve coffee machine, has a water reservoir here on this side, and then it also takes out the empty pods and puts it on this side. So it's really great. And this is the vanilla custard coffee pods. And all you have to do is open it up like this, and it comes in multiples of 10, 3-pack. And this is what the Nespresso pods look like. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of the Vertuo pod, and this is in vanilla custard, and it's only to be used with the Nespresso Vertuoline coffee machines. And it's very simple to make a cup of coffee. All you have to do is rotate this to the unlock position, just like that. It pops up, and then you're gonna put your pod in right here. And then you're going to close it up, and when you do that, it pierces the pod. And then you're going to rotate it into the locked position, just like that. After it starts flashing here on the top and becomes solid, that means it's ready to push. So we just push it, and now, time for a delicious cup of coffee. And it works so quickly too. And so it takes the water from the reservoir, goes into the machine, through the pod, and out into your cup. And look how nice it is. And do you see all that foam coming up? That's not dairy foam. That is coffee foam. So just keep that in mind. And it smells so good already. Just love the smell of fresh coffee, don't you? And it is just so simple to use, and I absolutely love this. You know, sometimes you don't want to make a full pot of coffee. Sometimes it's just maybe me or my husband and I, and we just want to make 2 cups of coffee. So that's what I really love about it. It's almost done, and now it's finished. Now, what I like to do is quickly remove the pod. So I'm going to rotate this and then put it in the unlock position. And did you see that? It came out of the pod into this container and here onto this side. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after it's been used. It pierces a hole here in the middle as well as throughout. And that's how the coffee comes out and spills from the machine into your cup. And here's a close-up of the coffee. Such a nice color, and look at that foam. Beautiful. And now for my favorite part is the sip. So delicious. This vanilla custard is really smooth, and it's a medium roast coffee. Definitely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.